Hi, I am reading Adventures with Peppa with permission from Scholastic Publishers. We are going to be reading the second story in the book called Nature Trail. Peppa Pig and her family are going on a picnic in the woods. Daddy Pig has the map. We need our picnic basket too, says Mummy Pig, but the picnic basket is still in the car. In the woods, Peppa sees something on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I see footprints on the ground. See them right there? Peppa and her family follow the footprints. A bird made these footprints, says Mummy Pig. Look up there in the tree, says Peppa. I see some birds. There is a mummy bird and 3 little birds up in the tree. Then Peppa sees more little footprints on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I see some ants. Peppa and her family are hungry. They need to eat, but the picnic basket is in the car. Daddy Pig looks at the map. I don't know the way back to the car, he says. I know, says Peppa. I see our footprints too. We can follow our footprints back to the car. Then it rains. The rain takes all the footprints away. I know, says Peppa. I see some ducks over there. Ducks love the rain, and they love picnics. We can follow these ducks back to the food in our car. And there's the ducks. The hungry family follows the ducks all the way back to the car. Then the rain stops. I love picnics in the woods, says Peppa. The birds, the ants, and the ducks love the picnic too. And that is the end of our story, Nature Trail, from the Adventures with Peppa book.